This is a warning. Markets are looking extremely bullish. We're talking record highs starting in July. Here are your catalysts. Now, first of all, you have seasonality in your favor because the month of July is one of the strongest months, if not the strongest, of the year for returns. The VIX has been elevated for the entire first half of the year, and now it's starting to roll over, signaling investor confidence is back. IPOs like Circle, which are new stocks on the market, are exploding, suggesting risk appetite is back. Inflation is back to normal, and the threat of oil prices surging to 100 just didn't play out. We didn't even get above 80, and now prices are collapsing. Average home prices peaked in January and now are starting to roll over, which solidifies that the inflation trend will continue lower. The spike in oil should have been the event to get interest rates above 4.5%. Didn't happen. Now they're rolling over, and that is rocket fuel for markets. That's more liquidity. So inflation is lower while employment is starting to soften. It's weakening, not too much, but enough to get the Fed to normalize rates. The Federal Reserve is starting to turn dovish. We see two Fed members call for a rate cut in July. And even if they don't, they're going to toss up a rate cut for September. The biggest tax cut in history is expected to go into law in July 4th, maybe later, but either way, that is rocket fuel for markets, not to mention deregulation, which allows banks to increase their capital requirements, adding more liquidity to markets. You should be bullish. Most of the fears holding back markets from the first half of the year have pretty much evaporated. And now we're seeing risk appetite come back into the market. Investors are confident. Technically, we're pretty much at all-time highs for the overall market. A lot of stocks already breaking out. Bitcoin is nearing all-time highs. Now, if you want to know what I'm investing in, check out the newsletter. You got defensive plays, offensive plays, higher risk, nuclear, income plays, whatever it is. Check out the newsletter. See you on the next video.